Today I am going to unbox and use a J1772 adapter lock for a Model 3 or Y. This is commonly used for public charging in case you don't want to be disconnected from a charging station. Let me open up this mailing package and see what's inside. This vacuum-packed plastic bag holds the item. Now that I cut it open, let's have a closer look. Here is a label saying that it is proudly made in America, California specifically. This is a 3¼ to 4 millimeter thick aluminum lock. The manufacturer description is that it takes hours to fabricate by cutting, machining, brazing, and a tumbling machine for deburring and polishing, and also powder coating and curing. This is a handmade product. It has a laser etched Tesla logo on the top and has glossy red paint, which aids in visibility so you don't forget it. Overall, this is a nice high quality item. Putting it on a scale, we see that it weighs 1.2 ounces or 34 grams, so it's fairly light. You can store it on your J1772 adapter, and I usually keep mine in the center armrest storage area. Let's now take a ride to a nearby level 2 charging station and check it out. Pulling into the parking deck, I spy several available charging stations. I back in the car and get ready to charge. This charger next to me is parked in one of the charging spots. Unfortunately, it can't use them. Plenty of other spots around. This is a charging station with 2 plugs for spots to the left and right of it. I'll take the one on the left side. Here is the J1772 adapter with the lock, and this is how you put it on. You slip the lock over the side that attaches to the Tesla, and slide it up to around the middle, and it should stay in place. Now take the J1772 plug and attach the adapter to the end. Move the lock down a little bit so that the mechanism fits together. Once connected, slide the lock over as far as it will go. You may have to hold it on while attaching it to the car. At this point, let's connect it to the charging port. Now on the car, let's get a better look. You can see that the lock is pressed against the car and will not move. Pressing the release on the charging plug does not allow it to be disconnected. One of the benefits of being aluminum versus 3D printed versions, which may bend, crack, flex, or deform over time, plastic can degrade in UV sunlight. This station is operated by EV Connect, so I will open the app and find the station on the map. Within a few seconds, I get the correct one and press Begin Charge. Most of the level 2 charging in my metro area is free. There are probably several dozen available. Some are run by the City of Raleigh, and others from various networks like ChargePoint and EV Connect. These stations usually charge up to 30 to 32 amps. While the car is charging and locked, the adapter is also locked in the charging port. With this adapter lock, the J1772 plug cannot be removed from the car. Many EVs lock the charging plugs to the car while they charge. As you can see, pressing the button doesn't do anything. When the charging is complete, you unlock the car, and the whole plug and adapter pulls right out of the charge port. Now slip off the lock, and now the adapter can be removed from the J1772 handle. Remember to be a good EV citizen and plug the handle back to the charging station so that it stays clean and avoids getting damaged. And that does it for my unboxing and demonstration of this J1772 aluminum adapter lock. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.